In today's fast-moving world, a home should do more than just give you shelter. It should move with you, grow with you, and elevate every moment of your life. Presenting Sri Tirumala Millennium Phase 3 by Engineers Associates Private Limited, a RERA-registered residential project in Mallapur, Hyderabad that offers a perfect blend of space, comfort, location advantage, and affordability. Located in one of the city's most promising micro markets, this is your opportunity to buy not just a home but peace of mind, investment security, and future growth. Strategically located in Mallapur, East Hyderabad, Sri Tirumala Millennium Phase 3 gives you the benefit of excellent infrastructure without the chaos of city traffic. You are just 2.9 km from Habsikuda Metro Station, 4.7 km from Maula Ali Railway Station, surrounded by 5 other metro stations and 5 major railway stations. Reach the Rajiv Gandhi International Airport in under 45 minutes. Daily commute, weekend plans or school drop-offs, everything's a breeze. Malls, movie theatres, schools and hospitals are all nearby, ensuring you're never far from anything essential. This makes it an ideal spot for families, professionals and even investors eyeing rental income from working professionals in Uppal and Pocharam IT House. Set across 4.12 acres, Sri Tirumala Millennium Phase 3 features 3 elegantly built towers, 395 thoughtfully designed units, configurations of 2 BHK and 3 BHK apartments. Sizes range from 1017 to 1521 square feet. This low-density project ensures spaciousness, privacy and superior ventilation in every apartment. The homes are Vastu compliant, airy and allow abundant natural light, making each moment at home truly relaxing. Possession timeline. Under construction with delivery expected in March 2025. RERA approved, ensuring 100% transparency and trust. Find a home that fits your lifestyle and your budget. 2 BHK apartments, area 1017 to 1179 square feet. Price starting from 55.93 lakh. 3 BHK apartments, area 1125 to 1521 square feet. Price starting from 61.88 lakh. This makes it one of the most value for money investments in East Hyderabad with an average price of just Rs 5,500 per square feet in a market that's rapidly appreciating. At Sri Tirumala Millennium Phase 3, you don't just get 4 walls, you get a complete lifestyle that supports recreation, fitness and community bonding. Key amenities include gymnasium and aerobics room, cricket pitch, basketball and badminton court, children's play area, 24/7 security within a gated campus, on-site grocery shop and ATM, closed car parking. Every amenity here has been thoughtfully chosen to enhance your everyday living experience. Built by Engineers Associates Private Limited, a reputed name in Hyderabad's real estate market, known for delivering high-quality residential spaces with focus on structural strength, design functionality, and on-time completion. Their commitment to transparency, planning, and craftsmanship has earned them the trust of hundreds of happy homeowners. Hyderabad is one of India's fastest growing cities, and Mallapur is catching investor attention for all the right reasons. Proximity to IT corridors like Pocharam and Uppal metro expansion and infrastructure boom. Steady rental demand from working professionals. Sri Tirumala Millennium Phase 3 is the smart move, whether you're buying your first home or looking for a high-yield investment. Your dream home is just a visit away. A prime location, thoughtfully built homes, smart pricing, backed by a reputed developer. Click the contact CTA on housing.com to book a site visit or speak to an advisor today. Sri Tirumala Millennium Phase 3, a home that grows with you.